Good out there, James Habs fan coming to you. Well, it's July 17th. It's about 7:18 in the morning. I just woke up. There's some thunderstorms and a lot of rain. So I just like to share with you guys because I got two friends in the UK, Patrick and Alan, who are going through all this nasty rain. And I just want to let all you guys know that you guys aren't alone. It's coming down over here too. I haven't even had my cup of tea yet. Yeah. It's coming down over here too. Probably not as hard as it's coming down in the UK, but still getting it. There, you guys can see it a lot better. Anyways, so you just share that with all you guys. I am literally just waking up. My girlfriend had to wake up before to walk a dog that she's puppy sitting for. Her neighbor's actually gone in for brain surgery. Anyway, that's my girlfriend's neighbor. So me, as you can tell, I'm literally just waking up. So I'm gonna have my cup of Tegleys here. I'll join all you guys later. There's my son.
Yeah, just woke up.
He just woke up?
Yeah.
Apparently he's eating a box of Cheerios.
Yeah, almost finished. It's still in good to eat.
Yeah. Today is one of my cat's birthday. It's Tifa's birthday.
Yep. Happy birthday.
So we're doing something special for her. She's 4 years old.
Yeah.
And anyways,
She's the oldest.
Yeah, she's the oldest. I'm gonna let all you guys go so I can wake up. I don't feel good without having a cup of tea in the morning. So anyways, Alan, Patrick, if you go to watch this, I'm wishing you guys well. I got a bit of sympathy. Well, I got a lot of sympathy for you guys. I'm hoping you guys are doing well with all this rain you guys are having. So you're not alone right now. We just got some rain ourselves, not as much as you guys are having. So anyways, you guys aren't alone. We got rain too now. So take care. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel and viewing all my videos. Yeah, no, my brain is still frozen right now. I haven't had a cup of tea yet. So I'm gonna let all you guys go so I can wake up and have a smoke. I'll talk to you guys all later. So thank you once again for subscribing and joining my channel and watching all my videos and everything else. Alright, James Habs fan.